escape the realities of life by writing a pointless poem doused in self-pity. Translucent bottles parade the shelves, drained, standing side by side. Their tacky bottoms are now far too cliché to be considered profound. Reluctantly, you stare from above at the often viewed bird's eye penis. Undoubtedly, the saddest angle imaginable, though certainly it's not the scariest. Wondering whether it will soon be consigned to the history books, along with the strange six-pack, the remnants of sex appeal, and a full head of hair. Reminiscing of heady and carefree days when hangovers were a bearable affliction and nighttime bedroom-based rigidity was all but assured. Bags under red eyes were considered to be a temporary phenomenon. An existential anxiety was well and truly burrowed its way into the holes vacated by heartache, emotional indifference, and an undeserved feeling of self-assurance. Important memories fade with continued flowing of time and whiskey and are replaced with a heavily filtered, unwelcome, but still hurtful nostalgia. Whitened hair now grows in incorrect and increasingly hard to reach places. Patience has grown as thin as the joke that now covers my irritable scalp. So I'm weighing up the vice by calorie counting the alcohol that's slowly destroying me. The bathroom scale was there to be feared, and the mirror best avoided if possible. He'll inevitably only scowl and grunt back at you for what you've let him become. But remember, without that view from above, it might become obligatory. It's a sad day when the bird's eye penis angle is no longer a viable option. Appreciate the sight